In today's video, the IRS has released tax inflation adjustments for tax year 2026, and in this video, we are going to go over the standard deduction for tax year 2025 as well as tax year 2026, and we are going to go over exactly what the standard deduction is. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the details. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now the standard deduction for 2025 tax returns, single married filing separately, is $15,750. Married filing jointly as well as survivor spouses, the standard deduction is $31,500, and for head of household, the standard deduction is $23,625, and that is for 2025 tax returns filed in tax filing season 2026. Now for 2026 tax returns, the standard deduction for single married filing separately is $16,100, married filing jointly as well as surviving spouses, it is $32,200, and for head of households, $24,150, and that is for 2026 tax returns, which will be filed in the 2027 tax filing season. Now let's go over topic 551, which is standard deduction. The standard deduction is a specific dollar amount that reduces the amount of income on which you are taxed. Your standard deduction consists of the sum of the basic standard deduction and any additional standard deduction amounts for age or blindness. You are allowed an additional deduction if you are age 65 or older at the end of the tax year, and you're considered to be 65 on the day before your 65th birthday. You're also allowed an additional deduction for blindness if you are blind on the last day of the tax year. For example, a single taxpayer who is age 65 and blind would be entitled to a basic standard deduction and an additional standard deduction equal to the sum of the additional amounts for both age and blindness. Now let's go over the taxpayers who aren't entitled to the standard deduction. Number one, you are a married individual filing as married, filing separately whose spouse itemized deductions, then you're not eligible. Number two, you are an individual who was a non-resident alien or dual status alien during the year. Number three, you are an individual who files a tax return for a period of less than 12 months due to a change in your annual accounting period. And number four, you are filing as an estate or trust, common trust fund, or partnership. These particular circumstances deem certain taxpayers not eligible for the standard deduction. Please make sure to consult with a tax preparer in your local area and make sure to share this information with them. And this information can be found on irs.gov. Don't forget to share your comments, ask any questions, and of course, share the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2026 tax filing season updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.